to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. So I did a video on my channel where I took my Apres Coffin tips and reshaped them to some stiletto tips. However, I only did one of my nails, and I wanted to come back and give you guys a dedicated video on how I turn all my Apres Coffin nail tips into some stiletto tips. But I didn't want it to be just a basic reshaping video, so I threw in a cute cow print design at the end, so I hope you guys stay tuned for that. I'm not going to do any talking in the rest of this video, so I just want you guys to enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one.
Colorblind. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're calling, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind. Yeah. So I see. We could be the enemy, show them how it's done. Yeah, we could brand a new identity and tear apart the songs, make it grayscale. We love black and white scale, singing saints of the sinners, believe and burn all that's in it. We'll take them out. We'll make them up for it and shout. Dream out the guns, I'll take the wheel. How we feel, we were made for this. We be mountain steel and make it real, make it dangerous. Been colorblind for all my life, and they kept painting rainbows. I'm colorblind, it's black and white. It seems it will remain. And you've been colorblind for all your life, too scared to even say so. We're colorblind, it's black and white. It seems it will remain so. They were calls falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind. Yeah. Colorblind. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're calling, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind. Yeah. Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows, semi spoken, real. Saw the movie I ignored. Blue skies sound a broken sea, and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me, but you did. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're calling, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind. Yeah. All I know is we colorblind. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're colors falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah. Yeah, we can find a new identity and tear apart the songs making grayscale. We love black and white scale, singing saints of the sinners, believe and burn all that's in it. We'll take them out. We'll make them up for it and shout. Dream out the guns, I'll take the wheel. How we feel, we were made for this. We be mountains still, make it real, make it dangerous. Been colorblind for all my life, and they kept painting rainbows. I'm colorblind, it's black and white. It seems it will remain. And you've been colorblind for all your life, too scared to even say so. We're colorblind, it's black and white. It seems it will remain so. Colorblind, yeah.